So I'm out here at a job today in Cronulla for a customer who is with NBN fibre to the basement. They've had a couple of NBN contractors come out here over the last week and basically saying they couldn't get the customer working. So the last tech that was here, I think he was here a day or two ago. So he's tagged it here at the IDF. So I'm at the IDF up on the 6th floor. And so basically this, this is the pair going into the customer's apartment. Now, you can see here that on these conduits, there's just a single cable that goes into each apartment. And then in the apartment, there's like 5 or 6 sockets, right? And each socket in the apartment has a single cable going to them, which means there is a star connection somewhere in the apartment that all the sockets cables are going back to. Now, I've put my DSL tester here at this point here now because I couldn't find that star connection, right? We actually spoke to the real estate, had the body corporate guy come up, and it's just elusive. We've gone through every cupboard, looked at everything to try and find this star connection. Because basically the NBN tech that was here last time, he's told his customer it's a problem to do with, all the sockets you've got, and he couldn't work it out. So I've basically disconnected the cable going into her apartment. I've connected my DSL tester directly to the cable that's going back down to the MDF, all right? And I've had this on now for over 10 minutes and we're not getting any sync on that, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the MDF. I'm going to trace it out down there and we're going to go straight onto the channel pair on the NBN side and see if we get any sync on that. So I've got a feeling this is actually an NBN issue, and they incorrectly advised her that she needs to get a private contractor to come out, or a private tech like me. And obviously he didn't test it at this point here because he would have seen what I'm seeing now, and there is no sync, right? So that's that part. So you can see there's just a single yellow cable here on this one, and that's connecting to these old sockets. So what I did, thinking maybe, because we can't find where this central star point is, I thought maybe we'll just disconnect a bunch of the sockets, and see that it might have been a socket with some corrosion on it that was throwing the whole system out. But these sockets are sort of all over the place, right? So there's another one here, right, you can see, and obviously they're pretty old because they've got an old Telstra thing here where they've had 2 telephone numbers coming in. Some of them are running under the carpet, these cables, and then some of them are going directly into conduits, which is going back into the concrete slab. Now, I've been through everything in here, been above the fridge, been in all the cupboards, and it's just a no-go. So now you can see that we're not getting sync at the IDF. So next stage now, I'm going to send a tone down to the MDF. I'm going to go down to the MDF and then we're going to connect directly to the channel pair and see if we get sync there. So it could possibly be the cable that runs from the IDF to the MDF, but I will do that test now and then we'll see. Okay, so I've come down to the MDF frame. This is where we were told it would be. So you can see here, it's coming out of DA10, and we've got the O pair range from 201 to 250, so a 50 pair coming in. Can you notice anything about this room? There's no fibre cables, right? And this is supposed to be fibre to the basement, right? FTTB, because she's got no FTTC connection device, so it's obviously not fibre to the curb. And that's her cable from the apartment coming down to this frame, right? Connecting onto the copper, going back out to the street. So this is definitely the right frame, but there's no fucking fibre in here. Like I'm in the switch room, there's nothing, right? Nothing in here, no NBN stuff. It's just old Telstra stuff. So unless I'm missing something, right, which I doubt, each one of these cables is going up to the floors, right? So obviously her signal's coming down here, right? But usually with the fibre to the basement, you're going to have like a fibre box you know, somewhere on the wall, and then the cable's running out, and then you would have like crone blocks, not this whole messy thing here, right? This is still a soldered, like a soldered unit, right? So I don't know what's going on, but I've definitely got her signal coming to here. There's definitely no fibres coming in here. So something weird's going on. So I'm just going to do a little bit more investigation work and see if I can find out what's going on here. So we've just got some confirmation. It's actually fibre to the node, so it's not fibre to the basement, which we originally thought. So now what I'm going to do now is I've got right on the vertical C here, pair 7. We've got that coming over here from the C pair, the O pair side, right, which is the cable going back out to the street. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to disconnect the cable going back up to the apartment with my tone. Should be on this pair here on the P7. We're going to connect directly to the O pair cable going back out to the street to the pillar, and we'll see if we get any connection on this. Now, we didn't get any at the IDF, we didn't get any at the socket, so if we get none here, this is 100% an NBN issue. And so let's just see first before I go off. Okay, so now what I've done is I've connected directly to the jumpers that are going over here onto the A side, which is coming in on the O pairs here, you know, connected directly to it. It's been 10 minutes and the sync light's not even flashing, right? So NBN, this is 100% an issue on your end, okay? You've had 2 technicians come out here, both time blaming the customer, saying it's a problem with their internal cabling, but you can clearly see that directly connected to the A side, we've got nothing, right? No sync, no anything, right? There's no problems with her cable from here up to the IDF and from here into apartment. Yes, she does have a bridge tap on the line, but everything was working fine, right? So this is fibre to the node, and you know, we don't have to talk about how bad fibre to the node is. So she has an NBN tech coming out here tomorrow. Now, her ISP is Mate, okay? So, Mate, you know, like, you guys are going to need to reimburse this customer, because basically the 2 NBN contractors have basically passed this back to her, saying this was an internal cabling issue, sent me on a wild goose chase, because I thought they would have at least tested, you know, directly on the NBN side to see if there was any sync, but there's nothing, right? Not a goddamn thing. So I've spent, you know, an hour here chasing seeing if I could fix up the sockets inside, and then eventually, you know, come down, tested at the IDF, which you see me do. Now I've come down to the MDF, tested here, and, you know, sync light's not even flashing, right? So nothing on my DSL device, nothing directly on her router. So NBN, you know, you're going to have to reimburse this customer. The NBN contractor's coming out tomorrow. So I will try and get this video uploaded and send her a report by later this afternoon. All right, thank you. So just quickly, the customer just informed me that apparently that NBN went out to the street, so they probably popped a can open and got a good test out there. But you can see that this leading cable here is paper insulated, right? So there's a good chance if you got a good test out at the can and he didn't come in here, apparently he didn't come into the MDF room, but if he didn't get a good test here, it could be the leading cable. So, you know, I'm sure there's a few spare pairs on here that he could just swap over. So I just wanted to amend this to the video.
So just a quick update on this one. The following day, NBN contractor arrived at the property roughly about 12 p.m. He said to the customer again, no, it's a problem with the internal cabling. And then she called me, so I got her to hand the phone to him. I spoke to him, told him to go down to the MDF and do a test on the A side, where he finally found that, yes, there is no sync, nothing coming through from the street. So he went out to the street, spent about an hour out there, did whatever he did, came back in, and they finally got sync. Now, after they did get the sync, the internet service was still quite shitty. So I then advised the customer, maybe dump your ISP, dump NBN altogether and go with 5G, because the 5G signal there was actually really good. I was getting like 200 megabits or something like that when I did a test on my phone. So yeah, that's it. So because the customer's a renter, it's probably not worthwhile for them to actually run in a new cable from the IDF. So yeah, she's going to follow our advice and she's going to go over to 5G. All right, bye.
Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.